next question is question number 7. Question is, which of the following advocates equitable distribution of wealth? Question number 7 is, which of the following advocates equitable distribution of wealth? Option A, we have plutocracy. Option B, capitalism. Option C, aristocracy. Option D, socialism. Let us explain the items we have in the options. Plutocracy refers to government controlled by few rich and powerful groups. Plutocracy is a form of government controlled by few rich and powerful groups. Plutocracy, the wealthiest class controls political power because they also control economic resources, and they include industrialists, landlords, financiers. Capitalism is a form of political economic system in which all or most means of production and distribution are owned and controlled by private individuals, and in which the economic activity of the government is at a minimum rate. Some of the capitalist countries in the world are America, Japan, USA, and all the European countries. In capitalist economy, profit is the main motive for either the private or the state participation in production of goods and services. Profit is the major motive. Aristocracy is a form of government by the best and most qualified people in the state, or by those seen as superior citizens to whom people look up upon for leadership. It is government by the privileged few, and as well be called the government of the nobility. Socialism is a form of political economic system in which all or large part of the means of production and distribution are collectively owned and controlled by the state, the government. In a socialism economy, all the non-human materials of production and distribution are controlled and operated by the government on behalf of the citizens. Goods and services are produced with the sole aim of satisfying the wants of the whole citizens of the country, as opposed to the profit they will fetch. In a socialist economy, there is equitable distribution of wealth. In by the analysis, we'll be able to find out that the right answer is option D, socialism. In a socialist economy, profit making is not the major motive, but in a capitalist economy, profit making is the major motive. Next question is question number 8. The question is, the number of permanent members of the UN Security Council is. The number of permanent members of the UN Security Council is option A, 8, option B, 5, option C, 6, option D, 7. The total number of countries that belong to UN Security Council are 15 countries, and there are 5 permanent members and 5 non-permanent members. Why we call those 10 members non-permanent members is because they have been nominated or elected for a period of 2 years. But the non-permanent members are there forever and ever. They are there. The big 5 or permanent members of UN Security Council are USA, Britain, Russia, France, and China. The right answer is option B, 5. Next question is question number 9. The question is, power that is delegated is exercised. The options we have indirectly, option A, option B, by devolution, option C, directly, option D, by coercion. When you delegate your responsibility or your power to someone, you ask someone to do what you are supposed to do. Delegated legislation are laws made by other bodies other than the legislature. When you assign your responsibility to another person, that person will do it on your behalf. The right answer is option A, indirectly. The right answer is option A, indirectly.